Going on? This is Alex Elliott, and we are inside of my DMs. And there's a very particular reason we are inside of my DMs. This is actually a testimonial video for Alan Dean's Chrome extension, Friend or Foe. And I want to actually show you guys how this thing actually made me money today. So here we go. This right here is his amazing extension. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can set your message, right? So I've got this message set to run every 60 minutes. And what happens is basically I let this bad boy run. I set it. This gentleman here, Nicolay Stratulat, he friend requested me today. This message went out to him automatically. He said, hey there, thanks so much for your friend request. I'm getting close to my limit, so I want to make sure that I am approving requests from real people, not bots or spammers. Can you just shoot me back a quick DM so I know you're real and I can approve you? Also, if you reached out because you've heard about how I'm generating unlimited leads and sales from my Facebook profile and you're interested in doing the same, boom, feel free to grab my organic sales machine blueprint here for less than the cost of a cup of coffee and a McMuffin. Here's the link. Cheers, talk soon. What does he say? He says, hey, thanks for connecting. What is it all about you do? I checked your funnel. It's like crazy, but I'll be honest, $7 is too cheap. Or do you have some upsell inside the offer? I tell him a little bit about the upsells, tell him a little bit about the offers. Yep, correct, clarify, got it. What happens next? This gentleman goes right through my funnel and buys my funnel. $51 later, here we are, right? Boom, just like that, automated. This message has been going out all day. You've got to hear Kitso, you've got to hear Diego, right? Going out. He hasn't responded yet, but this thing is literally going out all day long without me, just filtering people through. If people respond, fantastic. That means we can get into a conversation. Maybe they're interested in an offer I have. If not, it means they're probably not a hyper engager, not somebody I want on my friends list, right? They can be a follower, that's cool, but my friends list is reserved for hyper engagers. So guys, I just wanted to let you know this extension works. It works well. It made me automatic money today, literally got me into a conversation. I responded, boom, the guy went and purchased. That never would have happened. I was on my phone on a walk with my wife when this happened. Amazing. So here you go. Literal proof that this extension works, and it works without you having to do anything. You set it up once, boom, it's off to the races. So Alan, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is going to be a lot of fun. I already have lots of ideas for different offers I'm gonna cycle through here. I can't wait to become an affiliate and actually promote this software. So super, super excited. Love being a beta tester. Thank you so much. And I'm thrilled to use this bad boy. Thanks.